Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to look up values within a table with the help of combination of index and match functions. Index and match function is most popular tool in Excel for performing more advanced lookups. This is because index and match function is incredibly flexible. You can do horizontal and vertical lookups, two-way lookups, left lookups, case sensitive lookups, and even lookups based on multiple criteria. If you want to improve your Excel skill, index and match function should be your top priority. So let's begin this tutorial. First we need a database. So this is the database in which we are going to work. So first we will understand use of index, then use of match. After that we will use combination of index and match. So first we will use index. So how index function works? Equal to index. Here first option is array. Our array is this one, comma, row number. Row number will be 5. We want employee 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So row number is 5 and column number will be, we need the employee name. So column number will be 1, 2. Then bracket close, enter. We got Mopriya Saha. So in this way we can get the name of the employee. Another way is equal to index array is this one, that is the employee name column, comma, row number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we don't need to add the column number, bracket close, enter. We got Mopriya Saha. In this way we can use index function to fetch data from a table. And now we will understand the function of match. Equal to match lookup value. Lookup value, which value I will look for. So I select O7, that is EMP005, comma, lookup array is this one and the match type is exact match. So I will press 0, then bracket close and enter. I got 5. That means EMP005 is in the 5th row of the array. This is a vertical lookup, and if I want to look for a horizontal lookup, so equal to match lookup value, I will do designation, DSIG designation, comma, our lookup array will be this one, comma, exact match for 0, bracket close, enter. We got 3. That means in this row, in the third cell, we got the designation. So with the combination of this, we can create many formulas. Like if I want to fetch the designation of employee 5, so how do you do that? So I will type here emp code designation. So here equal to index array will be this one, comma, row number. What will be the row number? Row number can be fetched with the help of match function. So match, which row I have to match? I will match this one, comma, lookup array will be this one, comma, 0, bracket. Now for the column number, which column number I want to fetch? I want to fetch this column 2. So I can put here 2, or I can use again match employee name, comma, this range, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So I got Mopriya Saha. Here it will be employee name, And if I want the designation, then the same way equal to, let's do it in different manner, equal to index. So I want designation, so I select this one and comma, I want the designation of Mopriya Saha. So what will be the row number? So I use match Mopriya Saha with lookup array will be this one, exact match 0, bracket close for match and bracket close for index, enter. I got receptionist. So these are the ways in which we can fetch data with the help of index and match. And if I want to fetch a employee name who is sales in sales department and female, so there is two criteria. So how to fetch the name of that employee? So I will do like this way, equal to index array. I will get the name from here. So I select the array here, comma, row number. So in the row number, I will use match function and I will in lookup value, I will put 1. Why I will put 1? I will tell you later. Now I will use the criteria, bracket open, that is in lookup array, department, I will select department equal to sales, bracket close, into bracket open, gender column equal to female, double inverted comma close, bracket close. Our array is complete, comma, for exact match 0, bracket close for match, bracket close for index. Now I got error value because this is the array formula. So in case of array formula, you have to press Ctrl, Shift and Enter. So we got the name of the employee Sonali Bormon. So you can see here Sonali Bormon is in sales department and she is female too. So how this works? Let's see. If I multiply like this way, equal to this cell equal to sales, then it is giving false. And if I drag 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, so here I have took 9, now 10, and equal to this cell equal to female, so this one is also false. And now equal to this cell into this cell, we got 0. So here we got 1 only for this row. So we will match 1 here. So as we go here, let's see, this value says press F9 to see the value, false. And same way, if I press F9, you can see that here is true, and press Ctrl Z, and now if I collectively see the value, press F9, 0 0 0 1, so 1 will be matched with this one, and return the value 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is in the 8th row. So the 8th row is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in the 8th row there is Sonali Bormon. So this value is showing Sonali Bormon. So in this way you can use multiple criteria to fetch a value from a table or an array. So this is all about index and match function. If you want to learn more about index and match function, please comment in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and support us. Thanks again. See you again.